Hello there, welcome to another video by TechTonic. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation very quickly with the use of AI in a few clicks. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a blank presentation opened up here and I've really struggling for ideas. I've got a deadline coming up and I have to create a PowerPoint presentation to deliver to my team members on the importance of digital skills. So I'm going to use AI for this because I'm running out of time. So first thing I'm going to do is go into Google Chrome or any web browser this will work in, and the website I'm going to use is www.PopAI.pro. I'm going to create an account with them. You can create a free account, you can create a paid account with them, so do check out their membership and their subscription prices and see what's convenient for you. But on the left side you've got opportunities to create AI presentations, use the functionality as you would do with chat PDF, so you can analyze PDFs within this program. You can also create AI videos and generate images. You can also write using AI and also use the paraphraser tools, but there's other things you can do, so check that out in your own time. What I'm going to do is create a presentation. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the presentation option here, and then you can see a chat box appear here with some options here. So here it's asking how many pages do I want to create, what is the word amount that's going to go on each slide. Do you want it as bullets? Do you want it brief? Do you want it regular? Do you want it detailed? So please check that out. I'm going to leave it as default regular for now. The audience, is it going to be for an investor, business, student, myself, teacher, supervisor, interviewer, employee, colleague, online visitor? I'm going to choose colleague for this. Slides form, what type of professionalism do you want on the slide, or the theme? So I'm going to use it as an educational form. And then the image source, so do you want AI to do the search or do you want AI to create those images from scratch? I'm going to use source there. What I'm going to do now is write my prompt which I want AI to use. So can you create a 5-slide approx presentation on the importance of digital skills and how digital skills will help you in your work? Write in English UK, because it defaults to the American spelling. So write in English UK and just click on this arrow here and wait for it to generate something. So it's going to create an outline first and foremost, which you can check. So it's gone away, created the outline for you. Now what you can do is you can shuffle these slides around. You can add new cards or chapters or pages, but I'm just going to leave it as is because I just wanted to show you how quick this is in generating the slide. So at the bottom here, this button, if you click on select theme, and then this pop-up box will appear with default themes that you can choose from, but you can go away later on and change these themes. So the one I really like is this one. No, I like this one. Yeah, that's the one I really like. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to click create the presentation, clicking this button, and it's going to go away, generate those slides for me. Here we go, it's coming up with something now. So you can see already on this what is generated, it's put the title in there, importance of digital skills in the workplace. You can change that to your name. You got section 1, which is all about enhancing efficiency and productivity, using digital skills as a catalyst, increasing employability and career advancement. It's got 3 points in there, and accessing global opportunities and resources. Thank you. You can put your email contact in there as well. On the left side, it gives you an outline. If you click here, it'll go back to that outline screen from before, like this. And you can go away, tinker with it, regenerate the presentation, but I just don't want to do that for now. Oops. And if you accidentally click on the back button, there is an option for you to look, all the ones that you've generated, you can go in and click on that like this. So it will go away, open up the presentation. So I'm back to where I need to be. On the right side, you can change your theme. So do check that out. You can get AI to write more content, or you can change the layout here. So please do have a look at that. But what I want to do is download this presentation, put this into Microsoft PowerPoint, because any edits, any additions, any customization I'm going to do within PowerPoint. So what I'm going to do is here, there's a download button, there's a share button, there's a preview the presentation button as well. I'm going to choose download because I want to download this onto my device. So I'm going to click on this download icon here, and it will download this presentation. And it's downloading, and there it is. So just click on it, and there we are. That's my presentation in PowerPoint. So there's slide 1, slide 2. Now you can check the formatting of it. If there's anything that you need to format, you can tinker with it. But at the moment, the way it's laid everything out is how I want it. And I'm just going to change these contact details and change a few bits to make sure it's what I need. But that's a really good, easy way of creating a PowerPoint presentation, or giving you a framework to work with, especially if you're struggling with ideas of what to do or what PowerPoint to create. And if time is of the essence, you know, you want to save time, increase that efficiency, improve that productivity. It's a quick and easy way to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using AI in a few clicks. Please, if you do like this video, please do like, subscribe, and share.